Hey guys, woke up this morning thinking about Mid-Journey and been using that lately to do some illustration techniques. I'm thinking about it like it's Photoshop. So you can use it to start the creative process and thinking through some of the ideas that you have, and it outputs 4 images from which you can then upscale or do variations off of those 4 that it gives you. And then you can keep going down that iteration process. So I'm gonna go through, I did a couple different ones. I did a zombie, I did a bunch of different zombies. I did a girl riding a skateboard, which I iterated multiple times, and the background started to change and things like that. And then I also did some cyberpunk cats. So I'm gonna go through and kind of do a short version of talking about that. I can't do it on the fly yet. I haven't figured out how to do that. So first I'm gonna talk about the cyberpunk cats. I love the way they're super clean and symmetrical, and the color Shepherd Fairy was one of the things I put into the AI to make it look kind of graphic, and clean design I think was another phrase that came up. The zombie, I don't remember what was put in there. I think it was just pretty straightforward zombie, and then the way the face is melting and just like the horror in the eyes. I think the word horror was in there also. And then the skateboarding girl, I think I used hoodie, cyberpunk. Again, cyberpunk has kind of a lighting effect that's really, I don't know, nice, but you can also do a hyper realistic as a phrase, and it will render things a certain way. The skateboard itself looks really interesting because there's like more than 4 wheels, I think, because the AI is trying to figure out what a skateboard is and doesn't quite understand that yet. And the other zombie pictures that I did were just kind of like testing out in the beginning, so I'll try to throw a couple of those in right now to show you that. So it's gonna be like a split screen effect. Obviously you've watched this video, so if I did it right, you already know that is happening. So check out Mid-Journey. It's definitely worth understanding and starting to wade into the art and AI world. I think it's going to be really interesting to see how Adobe and companies like that start to use this as within their product set. Have a great day. See ya.